On today's video, we're going to assemble this hotel housekeeping cart that we purchased from HD Supply. I read the instructions so you don't have to. First thing we do is put in our sides, our front and back, to the cart. Just push them down in. Fits in right in these slots. Next thing we do is we turn it over, and it came with 16 of these long bolts, so we just slide them into the bottom and then put in our stationary casters right here in the front. You got two washers. You got a flat washer and a lock washer, and the nut. Tighten them down. I think these are 1/2 inch. Then your swivel casters go in the rear. Snug them up. And after you do that, you're going to put in our bottom piece. These we have 8 screws, 4 on each side, 4 in the front, 4 in the back. And these are our longer screws. They are the LX8. There's instructions. I read them so you don't have to. Now it's time to put in our back panels. They have these little slots that fit into the grooves right here on both sides, top and bottom. So just fit them together like a puzzle. To work with it, it'll snap in. Then you have a top one, and also the top one snaps into the bottom, just like that. Then now I'm going to put my screws in for my shelves. You have choices on where you want to put your shelves, so I just even them out. So you start your screws. These are the shorter screws, the KX12. Okay, you put your screws in about halfway, and then now you just put your shelves down, just like this. It might be a little tricky putting these in, but you can work with it. Then you tighten down your shelves. Snug them up. And next we're going to slide in our top. Now this has grooves also. Just fit them in. And we're not going to screw these in yet because we have to put in our doors. So the doors also have little grooves. Bottom and top. Just fit them in. Just like that. And after you get your doors in, you go ahead and screw in your top. Again, these are the KX12 screws, the shorter ones. Snug them babies up. Next, we're going to put in our bumper guards and our vacuum cleaner rack. This one goes in the front. Again, you got a flat washer and a lock washer. And then these decorative nut caps that go on top. Then we're going to go ahead and do the rear or the front, whichever way you want to push your cart. Snug these babies up. And very last, we're going to put in our bags. These bags have grommet holes. Just line them up with the hooks on the cart. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.